Now I want to transition to our warm-up activity. Once you're on the Clever portal, I would like you to click Google Classroom. Once the Google Classroom launches, you will be able to click our class. In our class, you will see the tab above where my mouse is hovering called Classwork. In our classwork page, you will see the very first assignment called Freedom of Speech Hypothetical Scenarios. Go ahead and click that. The Google form that we're going to be using for this activity is right here. It is called Can Speech Be Limited? Directions. Carefully read each scenario. With your shoulder partner, decide if the government can limit a person's freedom of speech. If you and your partner disagree, you each have your own form to fill out. We will discuss our reasoning as a class when the timer sounds. Be prepared to move around the classroom. So you guys are going to be reading these 5 scenarios, discussing with your partner, and then clicking their respective boxes, like so. When you're finished, you will click Submit, and then I will automatically get your responses.